Look! The Northern Lights!
Hey, you three! We just crossed it. Latitude 66 degrees, 33 minutes. The Arctic Circle. And do you see? Those lights in the distance. They look like the lights of a strange ocean liner sailing on a frozen sea. There is the North Pole.
We'll be right back with Discovery Family.
This holiday season, the Paw Patrol is on a roll to the North Pole.
Can you believe it's finally Christmas?
Until it all goes downhill.
Oh no! Santa needs our help!
Can these paws save Santa Claus?
Hold on! We're not gonna let Santa down on our watch.
Start a new tradition the whole family will love.
Awesome!
With the brand new holiday special of Paw Patrol Christmas. Friday, November 28th on CBS and streaming on Paramount Plus.
Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even
Hold on to every memory this time of year and make it another December to remember. Because the greatest measure of the season is how it makes you feel. The December to Remember sales event. Get offers on select models.
As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Nothing melts away the cold like a delicious hot bowl of Campbell's soup.
Let it snow, let it snow.
Campbell.
Before the holidays, throw an ornament-making party. Invite friends to bring their imagination and appetites to an evening of fun with refreshment ideas by Kraft. Choose several Kraft natural cheeses and design a cheese tray with something for everyone. Use mild Casino brick for its smooth texture, aged Swiss for its nut-sweet flavor, and of course a lively cheddar with the fine natural flavor of Cracker Barrel. For still another flavor, make a creamy spread with Kraft Gouda, blended with margarine and sherry, and served in the hollowed-out Gouda shell. Then create an interesting cheese spiral from a Kraft Midget Longhorn Colby. After slicing and quartering, give each wedge a toothpick, and you've got a festive way to serve chunks of cheese as a tasty centerpiece. Of course, your satisfaction is guaranteed on all Kraft products or your money back from Kraft. It's your assurance that a tray full of Kraft cheese is certain to delight everyone this holiday season. Next, make miniature meatballs with Kraft barbecue sauce. Use the rest of the bottle as a tangy, distinctive sauce for the meatballs, cocktail franks, pineapple chunks, and vegetables. Every tidbit will be a tasty treat. Make chicken salad that includes beaten egg whites and Miracle Whip salad dressing, the bread spread, for puffy sandwiches. Then spread party rye with Miracle Whip, spoon on chicken salad, and broil. Assemble them ahead and heat just before serving. Finally, a cheese log that combines two favorite cheeses, Kraft grated Parmesan and Philadelphia brand cream cheese. With a strip of foil and some chopped parsley, you can decorate this cheese log with a candy cane-style stripe. The recipes are in tonight's listing section of TV Guide magazine and at many stores. At the end of the evening, everybody leaves with ornaments, a holiday spirit, and lots of good new food ideas from Kraft.
This holiday season,
dashing through the snow.
celebrate the joy,
Merry Christmas, kids.
the spirit,
Christmas Eve, when all of Bikini Bottom is filled with goodwill.
and
Behold!
the Jerktonium.
Once ingested, no one can help becoming the biggest, creepiest, meanest jerk ever.
In an ocean out of control.
This just keeps getting better and better.
Only one sponge
Merry Christmas, fellas.
Go stuff a stocking.
has what it takes
Combination of your tiny brain and pure heart.
to save Christmas.
You want Santa? You gotta get through me.
I'm out of here.
This holiday,
It's a trap for Santa.
celebrate with SpongeBob in a whole new way.
You took food from Plankton and fed it to everyone in town. You're an idiot.
It's a SpongeBob Christmas.
It's like a present for my mouth.
Coming this holiday season,
Great to see people so passionate about the holidays.
only on Nick.
This joyous time of year with the essential, now that's what I call Christmas. 25 timeless songs of the season.
It's beginning to look a lot.
The Essential Now Christmas is the perfect collection of classic Christmas hits. It's a great Christmas gift for the whole family.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
The Essential Now Christmas, now at Walmart, or buy it today at nowthat'smusic.com.
That Bumble's hungry.
Don't worry, we've got enough for everyone.
Does your tummy growl like a bumble? The Rudolph Everyday Value Slam is back. Part of the 5 slams starting at $5 menu. Join Denny's Rewards now.
From Paramount Home Entertainment this Christmas, My Little Pony's A Very Minty Christmas. The magic of Christmas is in the air, and all of Ponyville is celebrating everyone's favorite time of year. And it wouldn't be Christmas without...
It's a Here Comes Christmas candy cane!
Yes, everything is Christmassy perfect.
Uh-oh. Well, maybe not so perfect.
So Minty, being Minty, gives the Here Comes Christmas candy cane just one last finishing touch, and... Uh-oh.
But without the Here Comes Christmas candy cane, there's no glow. Without the glow, there'll be no Santa in Ponyville. Without Santa, there's no Christmas. Minty, Minty, Minty. I've ruined Christmas for everybody. What am I gonna do?
But Minty, being Minty, has a plan.
Yup, I will go and talk to Santa and fix it so no one will be disappointed.
But will it work? Can Minty really save Christmas? And can the ponies save Minty at the North Pole? Join in the most Christmassy My Little Pony adventure ever. My Little Ponies A Very Minty Christmas. Coming soon on DVD and video from Paramount Home Entertainment.
That's what I love about Christmas. Have a very minty Christmas this
Get ready for fun and frolic in the snow as everyone's favorite tank engine hits the tracks this holiday season. With Thomas and Friends Ultimate Christmas.
3 cheers for Thomas the Tank Engine and all his friends.
Climb on board as the magical island of Sodor is transformed into a winter wonderland.
Everyone cheered and the party began.
Join Thomas, James, Gordon, and all their friends as they learn about the importance of friendship, trust, and helping others.
Thomas's Winter Wonderland. Climb on board and join us if you can.
Happy happy holiday, everyone.
Children of all ages will treasure the ultimate Christmas collection of Thomas and Friends stories and songs for years to come.
Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends thought it was the best Christmas ever.
Thomas and Friends, Ultimate Christmas. Available on DVD this holiday season. Only from Stars Home Entertainment.
Who wants some hot cocoa?
It's a special time that we all hold dear. I have the perfect holiday plan for us. Exchanging gifts under the wishing star.
Well, it's just that I promised my grandma Figgy I'd celebrate Wish Day with her.
What a treat!
And we have to be home for the
Zephyr Heights Wishin' Time Royal Carousel Concert.
And I have to ring in the last night of Wishy Hoof with my hoof-made ornament.
But Zephyr Heights and Bridlewood are quite the journey.
Ta-da! Over the mountains and through the clouds, to Grandmare's house we go.
Hold on to your holiday hats, every pony.
The snow is too thick. Oh no, are we gonna miss the star? No, I just can't wait till it's Mission Time Day.
That was pretty cool.
We're back with Discovery Family.